Highlight is a function inside of M-Series that allows you to quickly and easily pinpoint lights in your rig that you're trying to identify as you see them in the console. You simply click on a fixture or preset or select it via the command line in the keypad, press highlight, and then you're going to be able to highlight those fixtures. You can also select other different fixtures, turn them on and off, and watch them highlight as you leave the highlight function on. The highlight function is going to stay on until you turn it off by pressing the highlight key again up here in the groups window, or also in the command keypad or on the console surface. Now, what happens if you've got, say, a scene like this where the lights are up and at white and they're bright, and so simply using the highlight command to find them might not be too effective? Well, there's a couple things we can do. Inside of M-Series, we're able to modify both the highlight and the low light presets. This can do some really cool stuff for us. Let me show you. First thing I'm going to do is select my quantum profiles, and I'm going to go ahead. I decided I want to take the iris down real tight so that it's easy to see that fixture and easy to focus it on a real tight spot. We're going to go ahead, click on our workspaces selector, and go to Launch Views. Next, we're going to go to Programmer on the windows here at the bottom and click Highlight. Once we click out of this box, we can now see we've got the ability to change Highlight 1 and Low Light 1. Now, you can switch between these different highlight presets in order to save multiple highlight presets that you want to use. We're going to go ahead, pull up our keypad and press Record, and click on Highlight 1. Then the console lets us know that the preset already exists, and so we're going to press Merge Current Data. This works just like programming any other preset in the console. Perfect. Now we'll press Clear twice and show you how it works. Go back here to our group preset strips, press our quantum profiles, which are already up and in white, but if we hit highlight, we watch them iris down. Perfect. Now let's use low light to take this a step further. I'm going to go ahead, pull up my quantum profiles. This time, I'm going to take them to blue, all right? So we're going to take them to deep blue here in the color mixing. So bring up cyan to full and magenta to full. Perfect. And now I'm going to go ahead, back to the launch views, and back to the highlight. This time, we're going to click out of here, pull up our command keypad, and we're going to record this as the low light preset. Now, the low light preset, as I record this and press Merge Current Data, is what the fixtures are going to do if you bring up a group in highlight, but then page through different fixtures with the last and next buttons. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to go back here to my group preset strips, grab my quantum profiles, and hit highlight. By default, they all iris down because that's the new highlight preset that we set up. And now I'm going to press Next. As I press Next or Last, you can see that I get that one fixture iris down, and every other fixture that's selected while I've got highlight on has turned to that deep blue. This makes it really easy to find the exact fixture you're looking for, even in a crowded rig with a lot of fixtures.